Sending money on Airtel is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer funds quickly and easily. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Open the Airtel app. Launch the Airtel app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the money transfer section. Once you are logged in, look for the money transfer or send money option in the app's main menu. Tap on it to proceed to the money transfer interface. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's phone number or select them from your contacts. Ensure that the number is registered with Airtel to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 4. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to send. Double check the amount to ensure it is correct before proceeding to the next step. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you can easily send money using Airtel. Enjoy the convenience of quick transactions.